Hi there, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Today we're just going to look at ways to say thank you in Nigerian Pidgin English. The word we use to politely appreciate someone for doing something for us. Apart from the way thank you is used in Nigerian Pidgin English the same way as it is used in English, though there are other additional ways this expression is used. Let's look at them. The first one, you do well. Nothing do you. God bless you. You do well, no be small. You try. Thank you. These are the simple ways to say thank you in Nigerian Pidgin English. Easy and straightforward, isn't it? Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next class. Peace is in.